welcome back to Swiss Family Fun. I'm Tanya and our family lives in Switzerland, and today we are on a winter hike at Pizol, which is southeast of Zurich where we live. So come along with us on the winter trail today. I will put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details for this hike and lots of other winter hikes in Switzerland. And now let's get on the trail. How do we get down to the lift? To get up to the winter walk that we're doing at the top, we took a gondola, then one chairlift, and now we're walking over to the second chairlift. Snow conditions are not the best right now, so it's a little icy. That's why we decided to do a winter walk today instead of snowboarding. So we're gonna wait. It's supposed to snow this week, so hopefully we'll be back on the slope soon. Okay, so the trail splits here. We're gonna go this way first and come back around the other side. Demonstrate. Okay, it's a little steep here, so we're kicking in. I've got my cleats that go on the bottom of my shoes to help with a little bit the steepness. There's these people skiing down over here, but they're actually skiing right across the lake. Hope the ice is thick enough.
They're crystallized.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
You have to eat them.
Okay.
Oh, they're like chips, bro.
It's hot, and we've got our food. It can be difficult to melt fondue on a portable burner outside because it's really hard to get the heat right. Mine was almost done and then it split, but my husband saved it with patient stirring, so don't give up. Mountain goat over here. Go inside. Careful, don't get too close. It's a little warm corner here. Break. All right, I've had a costume change and we are doing the second half of the Hochenweg. So now we can see out towards Austria and Liechtenstein in this direction. We're riding down the lift. It's about 3:30 and we had a great day and it's freezing. We're gonna get into the shade. There's no bubbles, so it's a little cold coming down. All right, we're all done with the hike. Thanks for watching. If you want to get the details for this hike, I'll put a link in the description below to our website where I'll have a trail map and directions on how to get here. And please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time for more hiking in Switzerland.